Guys, welcome to another weight loss vlog. I know you guys missed me because I didn't upload last week. Well, at least I hope you guys missed me. We are now getting ready to leave to Disney World. I am going to be vlogging my vacation at Disney World. Anyways, I am going to be vlogging what I eat and all of that stuff, but it's not gonna be keto. So actually, this vlog, I am going to kick it off in Disney World and showing you guys that I'm going to cheat and I'm going to vacation and enjoy myself because I've been looking forward to Disney for months now. So I'm gonna eat the food that I want to eat, and I think I'm still gonna stick to intermittent fasting. So I am gonna stick to the 11 to 7 time frame. That was Mooch. So yeah, I still think I'm gonna stick to the 11 to 7 time frame. At least I'm going to try. And then when we get back, we're gonna kick off the week back on keto and see how that affects our weight loss. I did weigh myself this morning, this entire week that I didn't vlog. I did cheat a couple of times, so I didn't gain any weight, but I didn't lose any weight. So I stayed at 166. So that's where we're at right now, 166 before leaving to Disney World. So I'm gonna hop in the car and I will see you guys in Disney. Arrived at Hollywood Studios. I got my Starbucks and we are going to Toy Story Land to check it out because I haven't seen it yet. Hi guys, so I am in the hotel room right now. I was actually down at the pool for a little bit, but I forgot to vlog that. Sorry. Right now we're just gonna get ready for tonight. We are gonna go to Disney Springs and have dinner and some drinks and all that jazz. What did I eat today? Okay, so for starters, we stopped at a rest stop and I had like these little pretzel corn dogs. I mean, not corn dogs, like pretzel dogs, like little mini pretzel dogs. They were freaking phenomenal. Granted, I could have taken off the pretzel and just eaten the hot dog because it was like really simple, but I didn't do it. I want to enjoy myself this weekend. So I had that. Then I stopped at Starbucks, got myself a little drink, and that was it. We did go to Toy Story Land, as you guys saw, and they do have like a little not restaurant, but kind of like a counter service. I think that's what they call it, counter service restaurant, where you just go and pick up your food kind of thing. And they had like a adult lemonade kind of thing. So I did have a couple sips of that, and it was honestly tasted like Sprite and raspberry. Didn't taste like I had any kind of alcohol, but I had like a couple of sips of that. But that's about it. That's all I've had today. So we are gonna go, I think, to a Cuban restaurant for dinner. So let's see what I have there. I'll probably have croquetas because I'm really in need of a croqueta right now. So I'm gonna get ready, get dressed, and I will see you guys later. It is Saturday. We just got to the Disney boardwalk right now because it is super hot and we didn't want to go straight to the park because we were gonna get drained in like an hour because it's scorching hot in Orlando right now. So we are gonna go to the boardwalk and just walk around a little bit. It's pretty much shaded. There's a lot of restaurants and it's like low key. So that's what we're gonna do. And then we are gonna go to Magic Kingdom and celebrate Baby Noah's birthday. And yeah, that's the plan. So we just had a burger at this burger place called Culver's. It is really good, but they only have it in like they don't have it in Miami, they have it in other places in Florida. So that's what we had for lunch. We had some burgers, and then now we're just gonna go walk around. That's pretty much it. So I will catch you guys later. We have arrived at Epcot. I'm sorry if you can't hear me because there's a fountain, but we're gonna go to a Finding Nemo ride and just chill, explore. The park is pretty empty today, which is really good. And yeah, that's about it. Everyone, I am back in my room. I am back in Miami. So this weekend was so much fun. Today is Tuesday. I didn't vlog yesterday just because Orlando was scorching hot. Like, I couldn't even function of how hot it was. Like, we did do major damage, like major damage this weekend. I did vlog some of the food that I ate, but not even everything. Like, I ate really bad, like really bad. Like, there was no ketosis going on this weekend. So I'm really excited to get back on keto, just because I feel better when I'm on keto. Like, I just feel lighter. I just feel a lot better when I'm on keto. Like, this weekend I just felt bloated. I got home last night and my stomach was like huge. Like, even Caesar was like, wow, you look bloated today, and clearly that's a problem. So, and you know how I said that I was going to stick to intermittent fasting at least while we were on vacation? Yeah, that didn't work out just because of the way, I don't know, like, we didn't get to the park till really late. So sometimes, like, there was a lot of times I didn't eat till like 11 or 12, which was fine, but then I would keep eating past 8 or 9 o'clock because we were still at the park or whatever the situation was. So it's 11:30 and I'm gonna go make myself some coffee. So I will catch you guys later. guys, happy weighing day. So we weighed in today at 165, so we technically lost a pound, so that wasn't too bad. I honestly thought that I was either gonna gain weight or I was gonna stay the same. So losing a pound really isn't too bad. Granted, it took 2 weeks technically, because last week that we didn't have a vlog, I'm pretty sure I told you guys at the start of this vlog that I weighed myself the morning that we left to Disney, and I stayed the same. I didn't lose any weight. I was at 166. So I didn't lose any weight. The week that I didn't vlog, I didn't lose any weight, and I pretty much stuck to my diet. And then the whole trip in Disney, obviously I went ham, did not stick to the diet whatsoever. I carbed overload. So when we came back Tuesday, I started right up on the diet, and I was doing pretty good. There was a couple days that I skipped meals. It really took me a minute to just like get back in the flow of the diet from being 4 days not doing the diet. It really kind of like threw me off, honestly. My mind was like in shambles, really. It wasn't up until yesterday, which would be Thursday, which was I think the 3rd day back on keto. I had major keto flu. I felt horrible, and most of this vlog is obviously gonna be, or most of this vlog was Disney, just because I was feeling like my mind wasn't right. Like trying to get back into the swing of things, my mind wasn't right. I wasn't really doing much that consisted of like weight loss vlog or anything, so that's why I didn't really vlog much. And my food, like I was skipping a lot of meals, because I'm telling you, I was just not, my head was not in it, you know. Not that I was doing bad, I just was skipping meals, so I wasn't vlogging anything, and it was just a hot mess. So yesterday I stuck to the diet really good. I made myself the salmon burger and all that stuff, but I still had a crazy headache, and I was dizzy and sluggish, and it was just like major keto flu. So when it came to dinner time, I was gonna stick to keto, and then I was so over it because I was feeling just so bad. I was like, I need carbs. It was kind of like, I don't know, like like I had this like addiction that I just needed the carbs. Honestly, yesterday was just not my day, so that's why I didn't really vlog much. The rest of the week, it just wasn't my week. I just needed time to like get back into the routine of things. Finally, I wake up this morning, and I honestly almost forgot to weigh myself. But when I did weigh myself, I saw that we lost a pound. So this week wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. It did take me 2 weeks to lose a pound, but we lost it. So just, if you cheat, look, I went on a binge. I went on a 4-day binge of eating. Like the night we got home from Disney, I ate a chocolate donut. Like I was just out of control. And the soda that I drank, it was just, so bad. But we didn't gain any weight. We lost a pound because I jumped back on it, you know. Those 4 days were fun. They were great, but I got back in it, and I'm hoping to get back to my regular scheduled programming of weight loss vlogs, continuing on next week and all of that. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking with me, and to all my new subscribers, welcome, because I did get a few subscribers. We actually hit, okay, I didn't mention this in the vlog, but we hit over 1,000 subscribers this past week. I think it was on Sunday we hit 1,000 subscribers, or Saturday, I'm not sure. I think it was like, yeah, it was Sunday. So I'm like super excited. This is like a really big deal to me. I know to a lot of you it's not that big of a deal. There's people here that have millions and millions of subscribers, but it took me a very long time. I've been doing this for a year. Sometimes I wasn't consistent and I would fall off, and for me to get 1,000 subscribers, it's amazing, 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 and I am so excited, and I feel like it's only up from here. So thank you guys so much for the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in the next weight loss vlog. Bye guys.